Good day everyone, I am Muhammad A. Langido and today I'm going to talk about bonds in the Philippines. So first of all, what is bonds? So bonds are essentially loans made by the investors to entities such as governments, corporations, or municipalities. When you buy a bond, you are lending money to the issuer in exchange for periodic interest, payments, and the return of the principal amount when the bond reaches its maturity date. So, basically, ang bond is para siyang loan. So, pero instead na borrowing money from the bank, a corporation or a government borrows money from people like us. So, how does the bond work? So, gumagana ang bond by first buying the bond. So, when you buy a bond, is lend tayo ng money to the company or the government, then they promise to pay us back later. Second is interest rate. So, in return from lending them money, binabayaran tayo ng little extra called interest. So, itong interest, they pay the interest like every 6 months or once a year. The third is getting our money back. So, after a certain amount of time is yung corporation or yung government is ibabalik nila lahat yung pinairam natin na pera sa kanila. So, in the Philippines, we have a lot of different types of bonds, but these three are most common and the major ones. So, the first one is the government bonds. So, government bonds are widely regarded as the most accessible and secure investment options within the Philippine bond market. So, these bonds are issued by the government through the Bureau of the Treasury to fund various public projects and operational needs. So, ang government bonds daw is isa siya sa most accessible and secure option na bond around the Philippine bond market. So, basically, government bond are issued by the government. So, bakit ba nagpro-provide ng government bonds ang government? So, government provide these bonds if they need extra finance or money in creating roads or schools or public structures. So, we have a lot of types of government bonds, but mostly we have the T-bills, which are short-term loans, so they are less than a year. So, we buy them less than their worth and get the full amount back later. Next is T-bonds. T-bonds naman is longer loans up to 25 years. So, you get a paid interest rate every 6 months until you get your full money back at the end. And third one is RTBS, so like T-bonds, but made for regular people. So, we can invest a small amount of money and still get regular payments. So, the second type of bond is corporate bonds. So, corporate bonds constitute another significant part of the Philippine bond market. So, these bonds are issued by private companies, both public and private, to finance expansion projects, debt refinancing, or operational costs. So, in corporate bonds, nagbinebenta ng companies sell these types of bonds if kailangan nila daw ng extra finance or again money if they would like to grow their businessness, yes, and for extra finance or money for their projects. So, yeah, that is corporate bonds. Third is green bonds. Green bonds are an emerging but increasingly popular option in the Philippines, especially given the country's commitment to sustainability and environmental protection. So, in green bonds are projects na nag-help tayo sa environment, like building wind farms or solar power. So, this can be solved by both the government and companies. So, when we are buying green bonds, is we get interest payment and alam natin yung pera natin is nakakatulong sa nature. So, in summary, Government bonds are the safest, and for small savers, corporate bonds pays more but are a bit riskier, and green bonds help protect the earth while still giving return. So that is all about the types of bonds in the Philippines.